Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making Jessi Raulet inspired doodles. Begin by taking a random color from your Sharpie paint pens and drawing a small square in the center of your paper. Next, take another randomly selected color and draw a partial outline around that square. Continue selecting random colors and drawing partial outlines. The outlines can go around one edge, an edge plus a corner, or just a partial edge. Continue in this way until the paper is full. When your paper is full, take a black fine-tipped Sharpie and draw patterns on some small sections of your lines. Simple patterns are great, such as lines, X's, or dots. When you feel that you've made enough black marks, make similar marks with a white gel pen. When you're happy with the way your doodle looks, you're done.